Today we are here by the world famous name in pigeon sport, in the international pigeon sport, Vanhee. Enemy Vanhee winning the first National Tulle with the hen 21-3093290. She's not only the fastest of 6,842 year birds, but also the fastest of 26,605 birds. The distance of Tulle is 489 kilometers, and this winning hen makes a velocity of 1,391.84 meters per minute. It's a very nice hen. It's some larger type, and she's a grandchild of the red Phillip of Gino Click. Can you show you the wing? The wing number. And the wing. Very nice hen winning the first national. Congrats from the Herberts team to Enemy Vanhee.
Thank you very much.
Bye bye.